In this hands-on, unsponsored tutorial, we are reviewing the brand new Insta360 X4 invisible dive case for snorkeling and scuba diving. I will show you exactly why your old X4 dive case wouldn't fit in the new X4 and why this update version is a much better buy with improved accessory and build quality. As you can see here, the Insta360 X4 captures incredible clean underwater footage with vibrant colors, straight out of the box. And with this new dive case, your footage stays truly immersive in full 360, with no dive case or selfie stick ruin your view, even when watched inside Meta Quest 3 or Apple Vision Pro. I will also show you the right stitching mode to get closer, clear shot of underwater life, perfect for fish-filled adventures. If you are planning to shoot immersive 360 underwater video this summer, this is the one you need to watch. Let's go! Hey, what's up everybody? So now let's talk about this underwater housing right here. But before we actually talk about that, let's talk about my Ace Pro 2 right here. So I have a quick release grip right here. It's actually kind of cool. So look at that. I can just pop this thing out and put it on my right here. Right here, so I can just snap on. You can find it. Boom, look at that, quick release. So now I can feel underwater with my POV right here, and then when I'm done, I just like, I don't even see it, I just need to feel it, right? Grab it, coming down here, and then this thing, I'm just gonna put it right on here. Quick release, lock it, and then go feel fishy right there. And that's how I film all the behind the scene of my other camera. That's how I do it. I can't afford assistance. Kimchi can't come in here, so that's why I'm gonna film this entire video by myself, and that's how I film it. So right here in the pouch is the brand new Insta360 X4 dive case package. So that's how I pack it, right? I pack it, and there's a little Velcro right here. I literally like strap it on something, right? In a strap right here when I dive, and or actually when I'm walking around. And then when ready, boom. So look at that, the whole thing come out right here. Look at that, it's so cool. This case is come with a package. So they really thought out on the newest version of the X4 dive case. So a lot of upgrade right here, just the packaging is the upgrade. So again, like the whole thing is already pre-rigged right there. Yeah, pre-rigged right here. And here is the 270 Pro underwater pole right here, carbon fiber pole. It's like, it's really long. It's a 3-meter pole, so I can pole 3 meters underwater, so I don't need to actually like scuba diving into the ocean. I can literally like floating on the top of the ocean, and then this shoot down and like 3 meters all the way down to the bottom of the ocean, kind of bottom, and then let fish swim around, and I will become really small, so that's I can become invisible if I can, right? And then I'll film it like that by holding the camera stable, just pointing down like that, as you see in the footage right here. So yeah, this is the full package. Let me put it down right here. So this thing is very solid, like it's bigger right now, thicker right now. The middle section right here, 2 lanes right here, and then you just slap in. I don't want to open it right now because I got it built already to go into the ocean. But yeah, so I turn into dive cam mode, so I can control the entire setting from these 2 buttons right here. Turn it on, hit this record. Look at that, really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Look, like it's really like long. And then I just do it like that in the ocean. So if I want to move around like that, when I find fishy, I'll just throw it in the ocean, and then touching the bottom of the ocean, and then let fish swim around it, and keep the camera steady for the best 360 immersive view. Again, immersive view underwater is not about moving the camera because it's not action camera, not chasing the fish. Let the fish come to you, so it has to be perfectly still. And that's why this setup is so important. And yeah, it's heavier. It's heavier than X4 dive case. Heavier than all, basically the heaviest of the all dive case. But again, it's 8K 30 frames per second under the ocean, and you see the image quality is amazing. I mean, if you get a better diver, you get even better footage as well too. So yeah. So here is a quick review of the brand new Insta360 X4 dive case. I think it's worth the investment. The X4 kind of fit inside the old X4 invisible dive case, but it creates a gap at the bottom of the case that can cause leaking. So we do not recommend using the X4 case with the X4. Although the X4 dive case is larger, it's rated IPX9K for depth up to 60 meters, 197 feet. That's 10 meters deeper than the X4 version. along with the usual accessory like the anti-fog insert or the GoPro style mounting. You will also get a weighted block that attach at the bottom of your selfie stick to help balance the setup. That said, we don't recommend using it. The full setup is already heavy enough. Just use both hands, like what we're showing you right here, to stabilize your shot underwater. Before sealing the camera in, make sure to insert the anti-fog insert on both sides of the lens. These are single use, so be sure to replace them with a fresh set before every dive. Because of the large dome around the camera, lens flare can still occur when sunlight hits the dome directly, as you can see right here. To minimize this, we recommend pointing the stitch drive toward the sun instead of either lens. It goes without saying, this is a 360 camera, so all the 360 shooting techniques you have learned on this channel still apply underwater. Keep the camera as stable as possible and extend your selfie stick as far as you can. The most immersive shot comes with you are not moving at all. But if you are going to swim, move slowly and sturdy. In post-production, you can even stitch a above water shot with the X4 already inside the dive case, like this clip right here of me getting into the ocean. Just make sure to select invisible dive case above water in Insta360 Studio. For actual underwater footage, select invisible dive case underwater. And here's the important part. Make sure to select optical flow stitching, not AI stitching. The AI stitching model was trained above water, so it will create unwanted artifacts underwater. Once you have stitched your footage, render it out as H.265 MP4. This file can be played back directly inside Apple Vision Pro or Meta Quest 3 in full VR. And trust me, reliving your dive in immersive 360 is very cool. If you want a detailed guide on how to do that, check out this full tutorial link right here. We will also provide raw underwater footage so you can compare it directly with the X4. You'll find the download link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.